Are you tired, moody, or gaining weight for no reason? It might be more than just stress. Here are 3 early signs of hormonal imbalance in women that you shouldn't ignore. Number 1, irregular periods. If your cycle suddenly changes, becomes too short, too long, or disappears completely, your estrogen or thyroid hormones may be out of balance. Try more healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil. Limit processed sugar. Number 2, cravings and belly fat. Do you crave sugar constantly and notice stubborn belly fat? That's a sign of high cortisol or insulin resistance, both linked to hormone problems. Taking short daily walks, magnesium-rich foods, and stress-reducing teas like ashwagandha or hibiscus. Number 3, fatigue that doesn't go away. Even after 8 hours of sleep, you still feel exhausted? Low progesterone or adrenal fatigue might be the cause. Try 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, seed cycling, and cutting caffeine after 2 p.m. The good news? You can start healing through food, rest, and stress control. Balance is possible. Want a full video with remedies and meal tips? Comment yes and follow for more women's health and wellness tips.